I ain't been up on the block in a minute. I been missing up the walk with the minute. I been building up the blocks like a minute. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my God, boy, he got a Glock.
What is good, everybody? I was bragging with y'all. Today I went out to go buy me a few K-pop things, a few K-pop albums. They are not the most fucking recent albums out there. That they're at least 3 years and up recent. I do want to make this a thing. Don't know how regular it's gonna be, but I just, it would be cool to go out there, buy some albums, look at the photo book with y'all, some photo cards, a little typical K-pop review album type thing, But before we hop into this video, do not forget to smash that subscribe button, scientifically proven, makes you smarter. When you do so, we're gonna hop into this thing, man.
Got you on the beat, little bitch.
So I actually bought a total of 4 albums. We're gonna start this thing off with Everglow. Oh, it slide out too. I like little album covers like this. That's the side. This is the back. Single album. One thing I noticed now with current K-pop groups, at least when they release current music, they don't have the track list on the back like they used to back in the day. We're gonna slide this bad boy out. Oh, this picture's on the back of this. I thought it was on the back of the album. Oh snap! Wait a minute. What is this? Hold on. Wait. It's like a little. Oh damn. This is Mia. Everybody love me some Mia. I love me some Mia. I feel like it's something inside of here. I think, yeah, the CD is definitely in here. I feel it. I think this is, yeah, here we go. All right. Oh, I'm so bad at doing these little flip things. All right, here are the photo cards right here. This is, damn, I forgot how they all look. I don't know if this is either Asia. I'm sorry, Everglow, I didn't forgot how y'all look. I know y'all names, but I forgot how they look. Group photos, gotta love them. Gotta love them. One thing I was thinking about, I want to say about yesterday. So there's this new group, Kepler, that's coming out from Innet, and Izaki from that group. She reminds me of a blend of like Mia and Yujong from Wiki Mickey, and that's crazy. A blend of Mia. She got the attitude and the face expressions of Mia, but then she has like the size and the dancing of Yujong, and I love it, man. Next up, we got BTS, Young Forever. In my opinion, this is easily their best album. They have I Need You, they have Save Me, they have Fire, Run. Yeah, this is definitely their best album, hands down. and I had to get it. I was gonna buy, I think I was gonna buy School Affair. Oh yeah, I was definitely gonna buy that one, but I was like, no. If I had to choose an album, a BTS album out of the two, I would definitely go with this one. So I bought this one. If y'all don't know how I feel about BTS, I don't like them anymore. I don't like them anymore. The music isn't good to me anymore. It's that simple. I don't gotta go into depth because I didn't talk about it a bajillion fucking times. I done made whole videos, discussion videos about why I don't like their music. But I will always fuck with the old music. Still respect them as idols. But it is what it is, man. So it looks like one of those things that you have to like slide out. So we're gonna turn it. Young Forever. Ah, I get it now. So around this time, Blackpink ended up dropping, I think not their first album, but I guess their first album since the hiatus back then. And they dropped a song called Forever Young. And they were like, oh, they're copying BTS or whatever. What are these two CDs for? Oh, wait a minute. So it's the first CD. Oh, okay, I see now. That makes sense. And House of Cards and Butterfly. Damn. Wait a minute. All this was on this album? Damn. Oh, this bitch cold. All right. I know what the two CDs are for. God damn, I didn't know they put all that on there. Boy, they was feeding y'all back in the day, huh? This is a poster. Jesus, man, I have so many posters that I can't even put up because I'm just full. Like, my wall is just full. And I got posters just hanging around because I can't put them up. Fucking J-Hope. Yeah, I got J-Hope, guys. I got J-Hope. I ain't gonna lie, out of everybody in the group, he's probably my least favorite. Okay, we're gonna do a quick little flip. What are these, like audition cards or something? Yeah, man, BTS were fucking amazing back in the day, and this is a dope album. It's a really dope album. And my bad if I sound too close to the mic. My actual mic, I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if it broke or lost a wire or something, but I'm gonna have to order me a new one. Next up, we have Fever Season from G-Frame. Quick little thing I want to say about this album. I love it. I love this album. This is probably my, whichever year it was released, maybe 2018 or 2019, probably 2019, I don't know. Whichever year it was released, it was definitely, I want to say, my second favorite album. Right there behind Would You Stay from Cosmic Girl. So yeah, it was released that year. So yeah, this is one of my favorite albums of that year. I had to buy it. But their title track for this was, what was it, Fever? Was easily their worst title track ever. It was easily the worst title track ever. But the album was fucking good and I loved it, you know. So we're gonna hop into this thing. Appreciate the Park Charon little lanyard or whatever. Got some little A-Pink accessories right here. Yeah. Wait, this is, I'm liking the vibrant colors. Wait, hold on. Wait. I like to check out the bag. Yeah, Fever. It was Fever, but I love Mr. Blue, Smile, Wish, Paradise. I don't know how that sounds. I forgot it. I love Hope. And Flower, I like the Japanese version for the simple fact that I heard the Japanese version first and then the Korean version. So I'm just, you know, used to the way how they sound with that song. But I'm liking the colors. I'm definitely liking the colors. That is the CD. Ooh, there go the goodies. There go the goodies. There go the goodies. Okay, here we go. Here goes some stickers. I'm not gonna ever use them. I'm just gonna keep them. I obviously don't know what the hell I would use them for. G. Jesus, man. I'm not gonna lie. G, I don't know what happened. It was definitely wasn't surgery. I think she just grew. Something about G, she just got mad freaking pretty over the years. Like, and I think it was because back then she was a lot younger, so she had like the baby fat. You know, she was basically young as hell. And for the last album, we have Black Dress, CLC's mini album, their 7th mini album. This right here is CLC's one of their best title tracks. And it's kind of sad how they're going out, you know, but it is what it is. Oh, it was already open. I don't gotta cut it with the key. Okay. Oh, I think the goodies are right here. Hold on. Yeah. You could always tell by the way how like the pages are like unfolding. You could tell where they at. It's crazy how when she raps, she's like one of the most freaking fiercest things out there. But like in person, well, I never seen her in person, but when she's not rapping, when she's not on stage, she's like probably one of like the cutest CLC members. Okay, folks, that is the video. So we covered G Friend, CLC, Everglow, and BTS. Again, that's the video, guys. Links to everything will be in the description, which chances are there will be no links in the description because I don't put my links down there anymore. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, click that bell to get notified. And your boy's out.
Check my clock, I can't stop. Fuck around, make my 40 pop. No popcorn, I pop pistols. Reaming my body, clothing no issue.